Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be doing a takeoff in the ERJ-170 Delta Airlines. So first we gotta set our flaps 3-7, and I've already set up everything else. Yep, seatbelts, everything. Right. And now it's time for takeoff. We're gonna be 75% power, and we're rolling.
I don't think he's even, he's not even licensed to drive that thing. Not the way he's driving it.
Right behind him now. I'm about to flip this thing.
Oh, did not mean to do that.
Yeah, we're all lined up.
Okay, careful.
It's gonna end up here.
Yeah. Oh shit! Oh, it
Let's
hit me into the goddamn fucking wall.
47.
Rotate,
Alright, you stop.
pull up, and we're up.
Black male, white tank top.
Oh, I got him. Going out the exit.
Now we're in full power out.
He's got a gun, he's got a gun.
Is he down?
I'm down.
I'm down. Oh, you guys are both down. We killed each other.
Gear up, and we're gonna, when gears up, we're gonna set flaps to 7. And gears up, so we're gonna set flaps to 0. And I will see you guys when we are coming in for landing. Alright, we are about to be on final to KPSP. Palm Springs is what it is. And we're going to be requesting runway. We're going to switch the tower and call inbound for landing. Requesting 31 left. Notch, thanks for the heads up. We're going to set flaps down to 20 and decrease speed down to 120. That's going to be your landing speed.
Sir, stop the bike. Stop the bike.
Stop the bike.
Stop the bike.
Alright, get off the bike, sir. Get off the bike. Unless you want to get tased. Get off the bike. Sir, get off the bike. Is he on the bike?
No, you're gonna get off me.
I'll get off.
Alright, why are you on the emergency breakdown lane on a bicycle, no helmet?
Alright, now we're going to set our landing gear down and go full flaps. Speed 120 is going to be your landing speed. Alright, and as you can tell, the thing besides the altimeter is my request altitude for the ILS. Try to center into that, and our bottom runway ILS. Armor spoilers. And now we need lower.
What's your name? Think about it. My name's Rick.
Your story isn't making sense. I have reason to believe that you either taken some narcotics or are under the influence of alcohol.
Because I wanted to go on a bike ride.
Because
You're experiencing some very strange.
Okay, Palm Springs Tower just went offline. And for any approach, make sure when you get into the final, the ILS final, make sure you have your landing gear down and full flaps. Early approach, you want to have half flaps and no gear. We're gonna line up here because we have our things right. And now we are at the direct altitude and heading. Let's set that just to give us some aid. This plane takes such a slow approach, but it looks so pretty. Oh, oh, oh. Gosh, my eye is watering. Gain more altitude.
Do you want to make the time a little bit?
1,000 feet. Resend. Oh, we can't resend. Alright.
November 654, Tango Echo, you are in an active airspace. Please contact Palm Springs Tower on 119.7.
Be reaching destination.
Palm Springs Tower,
And
November
be lower.
654, Tango Echo is to
Decrease
nautical
speed.
miles to the southeast at 1,200 feet, inbound for landing. November 654, Tango Echo, make a right 360 for spacing. Uniform Sierra 47 Heavy, make a right 360 for spacing.
We're just gonna ignore that, just a troll. And that was a gorgeous landing.
Making a right 360, November 654, Tango Echo.
Oh my gosh, that landing was beautiful. So, yeah. Thanks for watching the video, and if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe. Really helps out, and thanks for watching. Peace.